Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to subscribe to Ronaldo's YouTube channel and join the fun. So basically, all you need is a YouTube account. And what you're going to do here is you have to go to the search bar or search icon, and you have to type this at Cristiano. So there are tons of channels like this. I mean YouTube channels for Ronaldo. But you have to click the very first here, his profile, and this one with, as of the moment, 57 million subscribers. So this is the legit and the original account. So click this one here and you will see his recent videos. As you can see, for a matter of a few days, there are tons of viewers. So this is the reason why you can say that this is his account. As you can see, millions of viewers for a matter of time or days. So what you're going to do is subscribe. And if you want to be notified for the latest updates or if he posted a new video, then click personalize. And that's it. Now what you're going to do here is to tap home, videos, shorts, playlists, podcasts, and you will enjoy everything about Cristiano Ronaldo. So have fun and do subscribe to his channel to see more of his recent activities and events. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.